Did you know that the man who invented microwave cooking discovered it entirely by accident? Percy Spencer, an American engineer working for Raytheon in the 1940s, was testing a magnetron, a key component in radar systems, when he noticed that a chocolate bar in his pocket melted unexpectedly. Curious, he experimented further, eventually popping popcorn and even accidentally overheating an egg until it exploded. This led to the development of the first microwave oven in 1945. Spencer never earned royalties for the invention. He was paid a $2 bonus, which was Raytheon's standard token of appreciation for patents. Like and follow for more facts about art and science.